Are you looking for ways to earn passive income in 2023? In this video, we'll be sharing 5 proven ideas to help you start earning money while you sleep. But before we start, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and tap the bell icon to stay tuned to the latest uploads from our channel. Let's now get started. Number 1. Setting up a blog or YouTube channel. Another way to earn passive income in 2023 is by setting up a blog or YouTube channel. By creating valuable and engaging content, you can attract a large audience and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. To start, you will need to choose a niche or topic that you are passionate about and start creating content. It could be anything from cooking, beauty, travel, personal development, or technology. With a solid fan base in your corner, the possibilities are truly endless. Building a devoted following opens doors you never thought imaginable. One of the benefits of setting up a blog or YouTube channel is that it can be a relatively low-cost way to earn passive income. Additionally, as you grow your audience, your earning potential will also increase. It also allows you to have creative freedom and express yourself in any way you want. Number 2. Creating an online course. Another way to earn passive income in 2023 is by creating an online course. Online learning platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare have made it easier than ever for individuals to create and sell their own courses. By creating a course on a topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about, you can earn passive income by selling it to a global audience. To start, you will need to choose a topic for your course and create the content. This can be done by filming video lectures, recording audio lectures, or even writing out a course in the form of a book or ebook. Once your course is complete, you can upload it to one of the many online learning platforms. One of the benefits of creating an online course is that it can generate passive income for years to come. Additionally, it is an opportunity to share your knowledge and help others learn something new, which can be a very rewarding experience. Number 3. Real estate investment trusts. Another passive income idea for 2023 is investing in real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts are companies that own and operate real estate properties, and they pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Real estate investment trusts can provide investors with a steady stream of passive income, and they can also offer the potential for capital appreciation. In 2023, investors may consider looking at real estate investment trusts that specialize in properties such as commercial, residential, or healthcare. When considering real estate investment trusts, investors should keep in mind that these investments are not as liquid as stocks and bonds, and therefore they may require a longer time horizon to see a return. Additionally, real estate investment trusts are also subject to market fluctuations, and therefore they may not be suitable for all investors. Number 4. Peer-to-peer lending. A third idea for passive income in 2023 is investing in peer-to-peer P2P lending. P2P lending platforms connect borrowers with investors who are willing to lend money. Investors can earn a return on their investment in the form of interest payments from the borrowers. P2P lending can provide a steady stream of passive income for investors, and it can also offer the potential for higher returns than traditional fixed income investments. In 2023, investors may consider looking at P2P lending platforms that specialize in personal loans, business loans, or student loans. When investing in P2P lending, it's important to diversify your investment across multiple borrowers to reduce the risk of default. Additionally, investors should also keep an eye on the creditworthiness of the borrowers as well as the overall health of the P2P lending platform. Number 5. Investing in dividend-paying stocks. One of the most popular ideas for passive income is investing in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are those that pay a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends can provide a steady stream of passive income for investors. In 2023, investors may consider looking at companies in sectors such as utilities, consumer staples, and healthcare, which tend to have more stable dividends. When investing in dividend-paying stocks, it's important to consider the company's dividend history and payout ratio. A company with a history of consistently increasing dividends is generally considered to be a more reliable dividend payer. The payout ratio, which is the percentage of earnings paid out as dividends, should also be taken into consideration. A ratio of less than 50% is generally considered to be sustainable in the long run. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these ideas for passive income helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.